Hello traders and welcome to the Forex Market Open. It is Wednesday, May 21st, 2014. Traders, it's great to be with you today. It is absolutely a beautiful day in Pattaya, Thailand. Blue skies, blue water, white sandy beaches, and traders, I should be sitting in a gazebo right now, but no, I'd rather be with you. Alright traders, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilda and I'll be your moderator, presenter, and jokester when I can, throw out a good joke. Anyhow, my name is Bill, and we come to you from my website, tradingwithbill.com. So, traders, I started trading in 2006, and in 2008, I retired from a great career in the fire rescue department in Palm Beach County, Florida, in the United States. And after I retired 9 days, I got on a bird, came to Thailand on a tourist visa for 3 months to check it out. Traders, it's 2014 and I am still here. Absolutely adore Thailand. It's a great country to retire. The Thai people are super to live with. And no traders, it's not a third world country. They make you think that. It's a beautiful, very modernized country. Alright traders, just a little bit about myself. Let's get over to the risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk, as in any kind of trading. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, if you're trading your expense money for the week or the month, please sit back, take a deep breath, and open a demo account until you can trade the Forex market comfortably in your financial situation. When you can trade comfortably in your financial situation, you will find your trading will improve so much without having to worry about your finances. Alright traders, I have a live, complimentary live trading room that is brought to you every trading day. Traders, thanks for the emails this week. People were asking the hours of the room. The room opens about 45 minutes before the London Open, and we usually go into the beginning of the New York session. Just depends if there are still traders in the room, I'll stay. If not, I will just trade the New York session on my own. But if there are traders, we usually go until about 1 hour before the New York lunch. Traders, and yes, this room is absolutely complimentary to you. And traders, you never have to trade alone again. I traded alone, and let me tell you, what is it, traders? It is a bummer. Absolutely not fun trading alone. Make trading enjoyable every day and come and join us at www.tradingwithbill.com. Traders, hope to see you all there. All right, let's take a look at today's news events. And we have the Bank of Japan having a press conference sometime today. And as you know, they always do that tentatively. They never tell you what time they're going to come out and speak. But sometime today they will come out and talk to us, tell us what's on their mind. Could be a market mover, it usually is. Next, we have the UK MPC meeting minutes in the European session, and also out of the UK, we have retail sales month on month during the European session. In the US session, we have Fed Chairwoman Yellen speaking today, and that will be during the New York session in the New York morning. Traders, these are all impact news events, and they're high impact news events. I only place high impact news events up there for you. There are many other events that come out during the day. Please check your economic calendar. If you don't have one, please go to tradingwithbill.com, and I have an economic calendar right on the bottom of my front page. All right, traders, what do you think? I think it's time for us to check on the charts. Alright, traders, got two currency pairs, and they are repeaters, but we have to talk about them. They're just ATM machines lately. Alright, let's get over to them. This is the pound dollar. Traders, look at this change from the pound dollar. You remember 2 weeks ago we had ECB President Draghi making statements that he was going to start printing money in June, and be prepared for that. The market soaked that up. The market sold off on the euro and the pound big time. So the euro more than the pound, but the pound did sell off. Now it looks like we're back to our bullish pound. Thank you very much. Let's plug in the ATM machine and start trading this pair aggressively again. This looks like a great opportunity. Just look at this nice stair-step movement on this pound dollar. In this daily chart, comes up. What does it do? It comes back, actually fibs that swing, which is the large black arrow, and now turns around and continues to the upside. So I'm looking for bullish trades. Traders, let's take a look at the 1 hour chart of the pound. Take a look at this nice stuff we have here. What we're going to do here is we are going to wait for a bullish candlestick pattern, and we want to long this pair. We're at support, traders. We're at an R1, and we are also at the 200 exponential moving average. So we are at a good, strong support area. We're just looking to take this to the long side. You can see where I have it R3, the take profit area, and the stop just below the daily pivot point before S1. So I think we have some opportunities here. Traders, this is coming to you about an hour and a half before the London Open, so this could change in the next hour. We'll have probably another candle or two before this pair enters into the London Open, so therefore I don't think we're going to see much of a difference here, and I think we'll be safe in our trade plan here to take this to the long side. All right, let's go and take a look at the 15-minute chart. Look at this, traders. Everybody remembers those blue lines with the shadows? Yes, those are deviation levels. So what we want to do here is we're at the settlement level now. So we want this to come above the settlement level. We want to take this up to the take profit area of R2. So we want to look for long trades on this. Our stop would be below that 200 exponential moving average. Looks like a nice trade plan. If we can get above the settlement level, we will take that for sure to the long side. And this is the 15-minute chart. Traders, I think the pound has a good opportunity for us to take this to the long side, and we're looking forward to it. We're going to have to wait. Remember now, protect yourself, as we do have two high-impact data events coming out in the London session. All right, traders, sorry for the noise in the background. They're doing construction in a condo next to mine, and there's nothing I can do about it. I've waited about 45 minutes hoping they would stop. They did not stop, and I had to get this video up onto the YouTube page. All right, again, this is our three charts placed together. I'm a visual trader, as I tell you all the time, so I just like to take a look at all three charts and see what's going on, and it looks good, and I'm looking forward to taking these trade opportunities. All right, let's take a look at another one that's always talking conversation, and that is the Aussie dollar. What happened to the Aussie dollar? The Aussie dollar has been tanking for the last, week, and Monday and Tuesday it's been a horror show. It just absolutely tanked, and now we're sitting on the daily chart at the 200 exponential moving average. That is today's current daily candle, traders, and it looks like it's giving us a little bounce there. So we'll see what happens. So I'm thinking this is an up to down move day today on the Aussie when we get to our lower time frames, right? Let's see it come back up, and then we'll take it back down. And that's how I'm looking at the Aussie today. I don't see any reason why the Aussie should become strong. And the dollar is definitely stronger than the Aussie at the moment. So that's how I'm looking at that situation there. So let's jump over to the 1 hour chart, traders. Here is the 1 hour chart. This is a great pullback situation. We're going to basically wait for this pair to pull back into our fib levels. Love to see it get to the 50% fib with a 38.2, and we can take this baby down. You see I have my stop placed right below the 200 exponential moving average, and my take profit, traders, is at the 161.8 Fibonacci level on the 1 hour chart on the Aussie. Looking good. I like this trade setup. Traders, it might only go to the 74% fib. If it comes back up to the 74 fib, you know what? We're going to take that short. At this price right here is not a place to short this. It's just not a good short there. We want to see this pull back a little bit. And also look at those candles. Do those candles not look wimpy or what? There just doesn't look like any kind of determination in there. So not really eager to jump into that little bird right there. All right, traders, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. This is the 15-minute chart. Yes, on this chart we do have our deviation levels, and this is what we're looking for. We're looking for this really right now for a bearish candlestick formation where we can take this to the long side. I'd like to see this pull back a little bit up to that settlement area, that deviation. I'd like to see that pull back. Look at these candles. They look really, really wimpish, and I don't know if I want to jump into that monkey yet, but I am looking to take this short, and I don't want to miss the opportunity. So let's see if we can get a little pullback, maybe about 10 pips, 15 pips, and we can dump this thing down to our take profit area. Now, and the take profit area is 91.80. I love the 20s and 80s. You can see where I have my stop at above the settlement area. Keep an eye on that. Okay, so that is our 15-minute chart. Nice trade setup. We got the 200 exponential moving average far away from price, so that really doesn't come into play today on that trade plan on the 15-minute chart. Okay, traders, this is our view of all three charts put together. And again, I'm a visual guy. I like to see this all next to each other. Look at how nice this looks, and it just makes sense. Look at your Williams percentage indicators on the 1 hour chart and the 15-minute chart starting to turn to the downside. I think we can possibly get our move for the sell trades today at the London Open or just after it, and looks like a nice trading setup day today on both currency pairs that we looked at today, both the pound dollar and the Aussie. Okay, traders, I would like to thank you all so much for coming and joining me today. I think we have a great trading day ahead of us. Remember, traders, to trade safe and trade smart. Traders, please come join me in my complimentary trading room to you at www.tradingwithbill.com. I hope to see you there. Traders, have a great trading day, and we'll see you next time. Take care, and bye-bye.